What's going down, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another haircut tutorial, and it feels kind of weird to say that because yes, I still do cut hair. Yes, I still love to cut hair. I just feel like I haven't done one of these haircut tutorials in a minute, so hopefully you guys do enjoy. Leave a like if you do. Subscribe if you're new. It's gonna be a mid-fade, wavy top, fresh lineup, shave, eyebrows, the whole nine. So hopefully you guys do enjoy. Let's get into it. So like I said, this haircut's gonna be like a mid-fade, drop fade kind of look, and my steps over the years really hasn't changed. If you're new to my videos, I kind of just go no guard, first guideline, long number 2 to kind of knock out the bulk towards the top, leaving like an inch, half an inch between that and the long hairs on top. Now our second guideline going up is gonna be a no guard open. And you kind of make your second guideline, then you come back down, close the lever halfway, no guard, knock that out. I'm gonna just let you guys watch. I'm gonna put some text up on the screen. If you guys have any questions about my fading technique, please drop a comment down below. I will get back to you for sure. So to try to bridge this gap between no guard and that long number 2, we're gonna go with a number 1 guard open, kind of buff that out a little bit, and then we're gonna close that number 1 guard, come down a little bit, try to knock out that middle guideline. In most cases, you won't be able to just use a number 1 guard close to knock out this middle line right here. So after this, you guys are gonna see me slap on a number 0 guard, open and close, and that for sure will knock out the line in the middle. So it's gonna go no guard, close, no guard open, a 0 guard, a 1 guard, and a 2 guard. That's really it. Very simple. If you guys can master those 2 to 3 guards, your blends are going to be flawless. Now always follow up your work. Take out any dark spots, go up in the fade, go down, no guard, open, whatever the case may be. So to remove any of the remaining bulk in the top of the fade, you guys can use clipper of a comb. That's probably the safest bet. Just angle that comb out till you see any of the hairs sticking out. Follow up with the clipper. Hopefully that made sense. But lately I've just been skipping this step completely and just going in with my thinning shears. I feel like thinning shears really just leave a softer, buttery blend. It's more precise. I can really pinpoint a certain hair and just lighten up the area to my desired preference, you know? Now this next part, we are going to use shears, and I don't want you guys to follow my technique at all. I'm just giving this a really rough chop. I'm very familiar with my client's hair. There's no sectioning involved. There's really no precise shear work that needs to be done. So what I really just do is take off half an inch to an inch from the front, connect it to the front, the sides, and the back, and that's it really. So he's gonna leave his hair curly and slick back anyway. So just make sure the hair is even and, you know, do your best. I can tell by a lot of the pictures you guys send me for review on your guys' haircuts, a lot of you guys aren't using the straight razor to follow up your clipper work when it comes to the lineup. The straight razor will enhance your hairlines tenfold, bro. If you're not using a straight razor, going against the grain, you're missing out, because it really makes your hairlines pop to a different degree. It makes the hairline last a couple days longer, and that's always much appreciated by the client. So we are going to shave my client's face, and obviously I'm always going to rock with EZblade shaving gel or EZblade shaving products in general. They have blades, shaving powders, styling gels, pomades, shaving creams, shaving blades, holder, literally everything under the sun, bro. ezbladshavingproducts.com. Link will be down in the description. I do have a 10% off promo code EJonesTv, and if you guys have been rocking me for years, you guys know that EZblade is a staple in my services for sure. And to basically finish off this look, we're going to be using some enhancements. I'm going to be using some semi-permanent hair dye and a cordless compressor. You kind of want to block off the region you don't want, spray what you need, keep this light. A little goes a long way. I hate seeing oversprayed enhancements because enhancements is a staple in the barber community nowadays, and I want you guys to be doing it right. It just adds more depth and crispiness to the lineup, and that's all we can hope for as barbers. So what I just put in my client's hair is some curling mousse. Even my clients don't know about this typically, because they always ask like, what did you put in my hair last time? It was perfect. Just some curling mousse. It doesn't matter what company. I have my preferences. I'm not going to share with you. You guys can just use whatever you want. But if you combine that with the EZblade styling powder, it really just locks those curls into place, and it just gives us this matte style look that I really like. But when you combine the curling mousse with the styling powder, undefeated, bro, trust me. And that's really it. I'm gonna apply some EZblade aftershave spray to kind of relieve any redness of the skin, prevent razor bumps that we just use with the straight razor. That's really it. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, bro, that's it.